Hey guys, this is Nanda from Nanda's Crafts. Welcome back to another video. Today I want to share with you guys these cute little flowers that I made using these stamping set flowers that I bought from Amazon. Look how cute they are. So these three over here, they have dots on, and the bottom ones, there is no dot. So these are the ones that I used to make these cute flowers over here. So in this one, I added glitter. This one too, which is perfect for Halloween projects. And this is the orange and a purple one. So these three I'm gonna use it on Halloween projects. So now I'm gonna show you the yellow one and the red. Those are perfect for Christmas projects. Look how cute. Those are the ones that I added glitter glue. And the glitter glue that I use to apply in these flowers is from Elmer's. It comes with a lot of different colors. Okay, now these ones over here, there is no glitter on them. And they are so cute. Look at that. And look at the small ones. And here's a red. And a blue, and a pink. And to color all these flowers, I use the big markers. It comes with lots of colors, and I really enjoy color with them. So these flowers over here is the big one right here. And I stamped the medium size right here in this other cardstock. So now I'm gonna show you guys how I apply the glitter on the flowers. So I just color one of the flowers. So I'm gonna use the pink over here. And by the way, comment down below which is your favorite markers to color. So I just did this. So after I'm done coloring, I'm going to apply the pink glitter glue from Elmer's. And now I'm gonna use a paintbrush to apply the glitter glue all over the petals. And you just let it dry. Then after that, you cut out the pieces. So I used 3 of the big flowers and 1 of the medium size. And now I'm gonna use the foam to shape the flowers. So I'm gonna flip them to this other side. Then I'm going to use this flower shape tool. And I'm just gonna do this in all the petals. And then you just turn to this other side and do this. So now I'm gonna use a wooden dowel. The end of this wooden dowel is black because this is the one that I'm using to stamp my fabric decoration doll's eyes. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna bring it over here and I'm gonna do this, and there you go. And the same thing I'm going to do with these 3 flowers right here. And I'll be right back. All right, so I'm all done. So here's the flowers. So as you can see, there is glitter in this one. And then I'm going to make another one without glitter. So it's going to be the blue flowers. And now to put together, I'm just going to use the art glitter glue. So I'm gonna put a little bit right here. And then just find the way that you want to put these flowers together. And I'm gonna put like this. So I'm gonna hold it for a little bit. There you go. Now I'm gonna glue the other flower. And now the medium size one. Now I'm going to add a red rhinestone right here in the middle of the flower. I'm going to apply glue right here. And hold. And I'm going to clean some of the glue. And then you just do this. And it's all done. Look at how cute it is. Now let's put together the blue flower. Now I'm going to apply a blue rhinestone. And now press and hold. And it's all done. Look at how cute. And I really love the sparkle with the glitter glue. And they look so cute without the glitter glue, because I do love to color these flowers with the big markers. So cute. Now I'm gonna have lots of flowers for my Halloween projects. I'm going to use these Halloween flowers on my Halloween gift boxes and gift tags. Alright, so if you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more ideas. I would love to have you here. And thank you so much for watching. Bye!